To set up your App Store account, begin by tapping the App Store icon. In the App Store, scroll to the bottom and tap Sign In. Tap Use Existing Apple ID. Type your Apple ID and password and tap OK. If you haven't used the App Store yet, you will be asked to review your account. Tap Review to continue. Tap United States and tap Next. To accept the terms and conditions, scroll to the bottom and tap Agree. Tap Agree again to confirm. For paid apps, you can either enter credit card information or use an iTunes gift card. You can get free apps anytime, whether or not you enter payment information. Enter your personal information. You must include a title and a phone number. Tap Next. To start, tap Start Shopping. You will now see your Apple ID at the bottom. When you download an app, even a free one, you may sometimes be asked to sign in again. In this case, simply tap OK. Type your Apple ID password and tap OK. Your app download will commence.